we've got to take. I am also better known as, in the old school days, oogly, poogly, googly. And I got that
The
about
quote,
10
"Who's the
years
more
before
foolish,
Google was
the
a
fool or
company.
the
So,
fool who follows him?" is often used to question the wisdom of following someone who is clearly making bad decisions. In the context of politics, it could be used to ask whether it is more foolish to vote for a candidate who is clearly unqualified or to vote for a candidate
I did
who is
ask about
supported by a
Biden, but
group of
thank you.
people who are clearly
Just
making
say
bad
fool,
decisions.
and it says okay.
Ultimately, the answer to the question is a matter of opinion.
Ooh,
Some people might believe that it is
foolish
always
opinion.
foolish to follow someone who is clearly making bad decisions, while others might believe that there are sometimes good reasons to do so.
Okay.
There is no right or wrong answer, and it is up to each individual to decide what they believe.
Yeah.
However, it is important to note that there are some potential consequences to following a fool. For example, if you follow someone who is making bad decisions, you might end up making bad decisions yourself.
Yeah, my money goes separate
You
ways.
might also end up getting into trouble or even getting hurt.
Ooh.
It is important
Both?
to weigh the potential risks and benefits before deciding whether or not to follow someone who is clearly making bad decisions.
Uh-oh. Not like oogly, poogly, googly. By the way, I got you guys an email by at least a decade. Just saying.